Hello, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends on where you are watching this video from, and depends on the time. Today, we are going to learn how to export a Revit file to SketchUp and continue the modeling over there. Well, I prefer to model my architectural works on Revit. SketchUp has more families, more materials than Revit, and SketchUp it's more flexible. To me, it's more flexible than Revit. So, for our projects, this will be the sample we are going to use.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go to our floor plan first. So this is the plan. It's a 3-bedroom. Yes, the entrance veranda to the sitting room, the dining. Here's the kitchen. It has a door to the lobby. Then the lobby has its first bedroom. Yes, it's WC. The wardrobe can be here. Then this is the main master. It has a walk-in closet. Then it has it's WC. And this is the third bedroom. And here is it's WC. And wardrobe can be this way. So, and at the front we have its visitor's toilet. So here's a 3D view. To export the first thing first, there are some things I would like to subtract while exporting it. For example, this very car right here, SketchUp has better cars. Even the interior, the chairs, we don't need all that. So the first thing we have to do, let's make our project a little bit light, because the more heavy it is, it becomes slow when it's exported to SketchUp. So first, let's click on this. We can hide this. The car, we don't need it, you can hide it. If you hover your mouse around, you'll find the chairs, the furniture is inside of it. We don't need it as well. The dining, we don't need that. In fact, the better way to do it, you can just highlight everything and click on what? Filter. Modify panel, click on filter. The things we don't need, let's find them. We don't need anything that has to do with furniture. First, check none. Then search for the furniture. Then is there any other thing? Precisely just the furniture. Furnitures. That's it. You click on OK. So the furniture inside of it has been automatically selected, and the rest has been deselected. So you can click on hide elements. Now this is the model we'll be working on. So you have to go to the file panel and click on export. Move your mouse to card formats and click on DWG. So before you click on next, over here, modify export setup, you click on it. This is where I want you to pay attention to. Click on the color and change it to what's specified in view. But hold on, let's cancel this. This is the view, this is the color we have. We can decide to change the color to hidden, constant color, shaded, whatever color you are satisfied with, or realistic. So this is realistic, but for me, I would prefer to just use the the consistent colors. So now let's go to what? The file, export, the card format, DWG. You click on modify, export, setup, the color specified in view. Then one more thing, this is very solid, ensure you take it to ACIS solid. Then you click on OK. Next. Now the directory, where would you like to save it to? Okay, let's just save it on the desktop. Change it to something you will remember. Let me save it as 3-bedroom project. JECD. Okay, and look at, as soon as you click on OK, because some of the files has been hidden, what you have to do is what? Leave the temporary hide isolate mode on and export. So we can click on this and everything is still hidden. So you can now close this, close everything, and open your what? SketchUp. Here's your SketchUp. So this is a new project, so we'll click on what? Architectural, millimeter. I work with millimeter, so we can click on this and here is SketchUp interface. So we can now go to file, import. Remember we exported it from SketchUp. Now we want, from Revit. Now we have to import it here from SketchUp. So remember, we save it at what? As 3-bedroom projects, and just click on import, click on close. How easy it is. So when we have it here, we can now decide to what? Work on it. Change color, affect changes, change material. Thanks guys for watching this video. If you want to see how we eventually turn this whole design to this, watch the part 2 of our next video. Just watch the part 2 of this video. Do have a blessed day.
Okay, let's go.